With this session, we are going to discuss about Mendeleev's periodic table. Who was Mendeleev and what he said about the periodic table? Dmitry Mendeleev. He was the Russian chemist and the inventor, and is the best remembered for formulating the periodic law and creating a far-sighted version of the periodic table of elements till that 18th century. That Mendeleev gave his law to make a periodic table. Till the time of the Mendeleev, approximate of 63 elements were discovered. And he said we can arrange all the elements in the increasing order of their atomic mass. He organized all the elements in columns, not in rows. And each columns present in table were numbered from 1 to 8 in Roman. And he said in each column how many number of the elements are present. They have a similar chemical and the physical nature. He named that columns as group. Why? Because a group is similar but not identical to one another, like a people in a family. So, according to his table, he said we can arrange all the elements in increasing order of their atomic mass and arrange all the elements in column, not in row. And each column, how many number of the elements is have in each column? They have a similar chemical and physical behavior. The Mendeleev's tables of elements was called periodic table just because of its repeating pattern. Because he arranged all the elements in a column and each column have a similar behavior, so it's just like a repeating pattern after you're moving one to another column and next one, so you will feel a repetition pattern is followed each and every column. And he made total 8 column in his periodic table, like you can see here. This is a table which made by the Mendeleev. Here you have a 8 column, and each columns you have a many elements, and these elements are arranged in ascending order of their atomic mass. And whatever number of the elements are present in each column, they have a similar physical and the chemical nature. They are not identical, but they are similar with each other. So this principle is followed by the Mendeleev while he make his periodic table. And till that time, the Mendeleev's periodic table get the great achievement, the great value by the other scientists. But with these achievements, he faced some limitations also. Such achievements and the limitations we'll discuss in furthermore sessions. With this session, we are going to discuss about what is kind of the Mendeleev periodic table is. Mendeleev is able to arrange all the elements which discovered till that time. Till that time, approximate of 63 elements were discovered, and in his periodic table, he arranged all these elements in ascending order of their atomic mass in the column which is said group, and each group the elements have a similar physical and the chemical nature. With this note we conclude this session. We'll see you in next session.